Hey guys, what's up? Doing a video today on Calz.Kustoms. This guy, he has a 1996 F250 Power Stroke that he's been working on since March of 2017, something like that. I follow him on Instagram, and he's all the time building up this truck. Every time I get on there, there's something new. It's either a new truck meet, he's driving the things, got the lights underneath of it. From the paint to the body to the tires, everything you can think of, he has completely maxed out. The dude does a really good job on his truck. I enjoy looking at it. I enjoy watching him build it up. So if I was you, I'd go give him a follow at Calz.Kustom. I'm going to put it in the bio, and you'll get to see what I get to see.